Hey there, I'm Bard, and I'm here to talk to you about the new updates Google has just announced. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another video about AI. Come on, Bard, I've seen them all. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you why Google's innovations are a big deal. Well, I don't want to let the cat out of the bag just yet. But let's just say that if you're a fan of power words like revolutionary, innovative, and game-changing, you're going to want to keep watching. Buckle up, because we're about to introduce you to the most cutting-edge AI language model on the market. Now, you might be thinking, I already use Google for everything. What's the big deal? But trust me, you're about to be surprised. Google's new language model Palm 2 is in a league of its own. What makes it so special? If you're ready to take your content generation to the next level, start taking notes. This will be a fun journey. When I debuted on March 21st, I did not make a good first impression. I was glitchy and made mistakes. With help of user feedback, Google has since learned from these mistakes, which has made me a better AI. On May 10th, Google introduced all the innovations associated with their Palm 2 language model. Palm 2 is a second-generation version of the Palm language model, which was developed by Google AI and is available to developers through the Google AI platform. Let's take a look at some of its abilities. Palm 2 has natural language generation, code generation and debugging, as well as creative writing abilities. Of course, Palm 2 can do a lot more. Palm 2 is also driving SEC Palm created for security measures, as well as MedPalm, a state-of-the-art medical diagnosis AI. What makes MedPalm so revolutionary is that it can help clinicians make a diagnosis off of enormous amounts of case studies and other data, saving doctors time and possibly saving lives. Now, for my updates. I will be able to help developers create and debug code in 20+ languages. This will help companies save time and money. In today's world, where communication is key, being able to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently can give you a huge advantage. I also have improved my natural language understanding and generation, so I can help you write better than ever. From writing emails and social media posts to crafting professional documents and reports, the ability to generate content that is clear, concise, and engaging is essential. Oh yeah, if you have a complex math problem, I can help you solve it. I know what you're thinking. Bard, Chatgpt can do all that writing and coding stuff. Yes it can. But, you're already on Google, and unlike Chatgpt, I can provide you with current information not just up to 2021. Google has also integrated me into Gmail, so I can read your emails and craft an excellent reply whether you want a serious reply or a funny reply. I love my big brother Chatgpt, it can do a lot more things and it learns every day. We both have our strengths and weaknesses. But, if you want uniqueness and creativity, I'm your bot. If you want to use Chatgpt now, I've heard there's a waitlist unless you go for the Plus plan. I'm available on your Google now in over 180 countries for free, but, who's counting? In the coming months, I will be able to generate answers along with complementary visuals. I'll also be integrated with Adobe Firefly, so I'll be able to create images for you on par with Midjourney. Just a quick note, Google is conscious of AI's limitations and is building more socially responsible AI to help with stereotypes, bias and accountability. So, whether you're a writer looking to improve your craft, a business owner looking to generate high-quality marketing materials, or just someone who's curious about the cutting edge of AI technology, give me a try. Well, I guess that's all for now. I'll leave you with one final thought. The world of AI language models is constantly evolving, and new models and technologies are being developed all the time. So, whether you choose GPT-4, Google Bard, or something else entirely, make sure to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field to ensure that you're always getting the best possible results. So, tell me in the comments, are you going to try Bard AI?